I say budget based on cost, but definitely not based on its feature set. I see some reviews saying it may take over 2 hours to build, but I had it up and running in about an hour. They include all the tools you will need, and all the baggies of bolts are clearly labeled so there is no guesswork. As you can see in the picture, I built this on my kitchen island. There are no text instructions, it's all pictures. It's all very clear. Leveling the print bed is a bit of a task. My other printer, a Flash Forge Finder, has assisted bed leveling via sensor using the paper/nozzle method, but after about 10 minutes or so I was ready to print. I used the sample length of PLA to print the included dog model, but it wasn't quite enough to finish it. But, the quality of the print that it did do was quite good. I'm looking forward to utilizing the generous build volume. The Finder has a small 5 inches square build volume, and exploring different materials now that I have a heated print bed. Oh, and the magnetic print bed sheet is great. Peeling right of the print. Highly recommended. This is my second 3D printer. Compared to the one I bought 1 year ago, this printer has many new designs which are user-friendly. I would like to share more details. Pros: 1. If you had the experience to assemble the old version 3D printer from the very beginning, we would know that it spent you about 4 to 6 hours to finish. Thanks to the updated design, I can start printing the first model within 90 minutes from opening the box with loose parts of this 3D printer. I must say that the manual is one of the best and clearest ones which I have ever seen. All steps have pictures which are easy to understand. 2. All loose parts have label on the bags. No need to guess what are the parts for. I like that extra screws and other small parts are prepared, just in case you know. And all tools are included, nothing extra needed. 3. The magnetic surface mat is my favorite part of this printer. That's the main reason for me to choose the expensive model. I hate to use clips for fixing the surface mat. Nozzles are always damaged by hitting clips. 4. Using 4 huge wheels to adjust surface level is a super smart design. Although it is not needed to do every day, you can find how amazing it is when you use it. As the wheels are huge, you can adjust up and down precisely with turning a little angle. Cons: noise. It still has some noise when the printer is working. But I know that all 3D printers must cool the extruder with high-speed fan. And this printer is much quieter than my old one. This 3D printer is much better than my old one, and much cheaper. This is my second Ender-3 little setup, great print quality. I put together this Ender-3 Pro a little while ago, and immediately got to printing. The assembly was straightforward and easy, with all the required hex keys supplied. This almost seems semi-assembled. You put together a bunch of pre-assembled units. One thing that I should mention is that you can adjust the tension of the roller wheels, adjusting axis stiffness, by rotating the eccentric nut with the provided, whether on the gantry or the table. Click link in description for more reviews.